Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. And as you know, all week I've been talking about this pattern here in the New York Stock Exchange Index that we completed yesterday. This is 2 days old because I still used it from a few days ago. I didn't update it, but I will update it over the weekend. By the way, our guest today will be Stan Harley at the half hour. He's got some good stuff. But as you can see here, this ABCD pattern measured to 19,600, and the high was 19,498. It missed it by 100 points, so that's pretty much spot on. And as you can see here today, the market has been backing off quite a bit. And today was our live trading day, and I wanted to bring to your attention, we did have a really nice trade here in the, remember, using 382 retracements. Here it is right here. You'll be able to see we were sitting there right at the 382 at this level, and we sold it right there. We tried selling it higher, but it didn't quite get there. But that's had a really nice move to the downside. But folks, I have to be really honest with you. It really breaks my heart. This is a trade. This is the trade that we had on. Believe it or not, we sold cattle right there. Okay, and I lowered the stop. Instead of putting the stop here, I lowered my stop to right there. So we end up losing $200 as opposed to making $1,000. But it was a fun day, and that's what we're looking at right here. But we're at a real critical level here in the stock market as we're speaking right now. I'm going to bring up the AI because some of you folks have been watching it going up and down, but it's a real critical spot right now, folks, because if we break this level right here, that means that this bottom is not coming in, and that means that we're going to be heading down the rest of the day. So if we don't hold this level at 56.60, look out, because it's got a chance to go a great deal lower. And remember, looking at the daily chart that we did the other day, you can see all those numbers. There's a 618 where we're trading now, but there's your first ABCD. There's your second one. And then, of course, the big one it didn't get to, but it's been to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row, folks. It's been setting at the 61% retracement. 7 days. Now go back and look to see how many times that happens. This means it's distributing up here and people are not seeing it. Well, they'll see it soon, and maybe it'll blow to the upside, but right now, odds favor move to the downside, and that's what we're attempting now here with the Dow Jones. We'll take a break. We'll be right back. 877. Well, that doesn't work anymore. We don't even